guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can build this cloud bed in Heartopia. So you're just going to want to lay like 4 floors here, so 2 by 2, and we're going to add this one. You can also use other beds. So I'm just going to place this one here first. Then we are just going to glitch it out to the sky. And we're going to place the other bed here. Press the check mark button and go back to advanced mode, and you're going to glitch that as well. There we go. Then you will need this sofa. Where is it? Oh, this one. And we are just going to place it around it. If you have the corner sofa, that's better, but I don't have it, so I'm just going to glitch it twice. So let's surround it. And then here as well. And then here as well, like kind of like in the middle here. And then we're just going to move, I think just these ones here at the edge. Move all, and we're just going to glitch that as well. Oops. Okay, I have to do that again. Let me do this and glitch that out. Okay. We're going to bring this back here. And we're just going to color it the same as well. Okay, I need to like remember where I put it. Okay, here. And then here. And then I'm just going to, oh, actually we don't need the one in the middle. Place these here. Like that. Press complete. And just go back here to the solo build. I did mine in the blueprint mode, so that's why. And here's the final bed reveal. Super cute, but I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.